Alright, so this we're going to be removing for a 2015 through 18 GMC Yukon cabin air filter. So 4071 is by MicroGuard, where I picked it up at O'Reilly's. This is the direct replacement for the cabin air filter. So this is how you do it. Pull down the glove box. There's a little tensioner right here that we need to pull off. It literally just slides back and then you pop it directly out. Then you pull on these sides so it drops straight down. Then you just have to remove 6 screws, which is 1, 2, 3, which is in the corner there, 4, 5, which is up here, and then the 6th one, which is right there. So just find the right size Allen key. That's what it is. It's fairly small. That's all I can tell you at this point. Just unscrew the screws out. Once you get a pretty decent lip on the screw, you can basically grab it with your finger and loosen it out further, like so. Same thing with this one down here. They just come off quicker. So just loosen all 6 of them and we'll pop it right out. So just onto the last screw here. This just comes straight down. So that's the clip, that's the clip. One on the left side, you get that right away, and then you really got to get your finger in on this other side to get the same thing down. These obviously sit on the bottom, so when you put it in, you put it down and then lift forward, and then it clips into place. It's a little bit tough of an angle to see that, but as you can see, there's the filter itself. Just grab it, pinch it, pull it straight out, and there you have it. Super dirty. And then just put it all back in the same way. So now we're just going to put it back in the slot, like so. It says a little arrow to go up for the air. Now that's in there snug, just going to put the cap right back on. So after a lot of wiggle room, again, getting those little clamps down, that one here and then the one all the way on the other side, again, you got to play with it, but eventually it just clips on the top. The one up there, one on the very top too, until just like the way you took it off, it fits snugly. Now you just put the casing on with the past 6 screws and we'll be all set. So last but not least, I'm just tightening my last screw on here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws, obviously all back on. And now you have to make sure you grab this little string play, pops to the side of the cabinet and on. Let's see if I can do that here. I'm not sure if you can see that, but to the right of it is where you go ahead and clip it right back in. There's a small little hole, so you fit the bigger hole here and then slide it right through so it clips in. And then literally just pull this up, pops right into play. You're all set.